loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to be doing a first impression slash review. And in case you haven't already, please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, and hit that notification bell so you'll be able to see videos like this every week. And for those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. And you can go ahead and follow me on all social media in the description down below. Alright, I guess let's just get into it. Okay, so what I have here is this eyeshadow, and I also got this highlight too. I wasn't able to get all the products because I just wanted to try to see how these would work first before I go ahead and, you know, purchase the rest of these products. So what I have here today is the Milani Bold Obsession. In the back of the box it says all day everyday obsession. Okay, also have here is the highlight Sunglow. Let me just open this real quick because already the packaging, I love it when she's reflective. I love it when she's gold. Okay, so already I love the big mirror. I love this mirror already. I can see there's a lot of shimmery colors. There's a few mattes, but for the most part it's all shimmery, and I like that. Shimmy shimmy. And here she goes. So this is what she looks like. So it tells you that you can either go this way or you can just go all kind of way. I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go the all over the place way. Let's just dive right into this. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna do before I start this, I'm gonna go ahead and use my e.l.f. concealer in the shade Tan Walnut. I'm gonna just go ahead and just plop her on real quick. Okay, so now that I have my base down, I'm not exactly quite sure what look I'm going to go for, because, you know, we'll see. So I will be using a Morphe brush. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna transition these colors. So before I actually put down a deeper shade, I'm gonna go ahead and use this light shade right here to transition. So you can get up close. So just, okay. I mean, I thought she's gonna come out lighter than that, but she's not bad. I mean, already you can see how much payoff she comes off. I mean, as far as the fallout, there is a lot of it, but I mean, the product works, so that's a good thing. And don't mind how my contour is looking, because she looked, you know, I kind of went heavy-handed on this, and, you know, I felt like I would be skinty, honey, and that's what happened. You know, she's cute, that's good. I'm gonna just go deeper into my inner corners right here and just kind of accentuate this part. Okay, so now I'm gonna go into this shade right here, and I'm just gonna go around the edges right here just to give it that, you know, faded effect. A lot of fallout, but hey, if she works, okay, who am I to judge, right? It's like a pinky purple type of situation. Okay, so next we're gonna go into a deeper shade, and we're gonna just really cut her and define her a little bit more. So I'm gonna just go in with this one right here. It's like a burgundy type of red. No, she looking burgundy. Okay, so we're gonna use that to deep this. Okay, we're gonna go light. I'm gonna go light-handed because, well, we can see what happened over there when I kind of went heavy. Oh, she looks nice. She looks good on my skin. So you got an A for that, girlfriend. Remember, keep in mind that blending is key, ladies. You want to look choppy on these streets, okay? Y'all don't want to look like that. Okay, don't mind this part. I have a scar over here, and for some reason she also don't pick up color. So if you see a little situation going on, like, do you see that right there? Yeah, I have a scar there. I'm gonna go in back into my concealer by e.l.f. in the shade Walnut, Tan Walnut. I'm just gonna go ahead and just cut it. e.l.f. small precision brush. So I'm just gonna dip right into her right here. Don't mind this part as well. I'm gonna situate that part, okay? She looks a little wonky, but Don't worry. It's a process, ladies, okay? At the first, it don't come out sickly. It's always a process. But wait till the end, girl. I'm gonna damage. Well, I'm gonna go a full cut. Why not? I was thinking about going a half a cut. But let me just, ooh. Just give it that whole effect. You see what I mean? Bam. Look at that. Already I'm creating life. Yeah, you see what I mean, girl? That Egyptian realness, girl. I'm gonna just go into this shade right here. That is screaming my name. You know, already it's giving me what this palette already looks like. So, ooh, girlfriend. Look at that. And you see this fallout? Watch when I do this. I'm only tapping soft, okay? Already it's a lot on the product, so that's good, but I'm gonna be doing that throughout this video because it's really falling out. Ooh, sister. Ooh, bam. Pretty. Wow. Okay, so what I'm actually gonna go into next is, okay, I really love using this. This is, girl, I have it in all colors. I love this product so much. It's by Revlon, Photo Ready Eye Art. So one side is all glittery and the other side is all like, it dries down into a shadow. It's like a liquid form of eyeshadow, but it dries down, which is amazing, okay? I'm gonna just go in with this side, the glittery side. She's really thin, so with this I have to be careful, but this also dries down as well, which is amazing, girl. Okay, so as you can see, I'm going on the outline right now. I'm being as careful as possible, not trying to like, oh god, you know what I mean, but not to really like ruin this. Ooh, you see what just happened there, girl? Okay, so now that I have that laid down and she's already dry, I'm gonna go ahead and use the highlight. And I'm a little nervous about this one because in the pan it doesn't look as blinding, but we're gonna just swatch her real quick. I mean, this is how she looks like. I mean, she's soft. She's a soft highlight, you know. Let me just put it on first before, you know, we spray her and stuff. So, let me just... Okay, I mean, she's there. I'm gonna go ahead and use my Urban Decay setting spray. And I'm gonna just spray the tip of the brush just a little, get it really in there. And then now let's lay her down because, honey, I mean, I want her to be blinding. I mean, that looks better. A lot better. What I'm also gonna do with this is I'm gonna bring her up here and like really give her that girl, I wanna shine on it. Ooh. Okay, yeah. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty 120 highlighting brush. What Rihanna likes to call it is her shark tooth brush, which I love because everything about it is soft. Ooh! Okay. Ooh. Now that's the kind of highlight I really like. Okay, we're gonna do the bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, the chin, the lip, Cupid's bow, and you guys already know I like to work on my forehead as well. Oh, girl. Don't forget the ears. Pay attention to the details, okay? Me, I like to focus on the details as well as what image is in front of me, of course. But look at every single piece because it makes it pop even more. You know, a lot of people don't really see that, but me, I love to pay attention to the details because it, you know what I mean? That's just the way it is. Okay, and as for my eyeliner, we are going to be going into Fenty Beauty Flyliner in the shade Black. Y'all already know I live for this eyeliner, okay? What I also like to do is just put her in the back, right here, and like really pick up the color. Oh, be careful, girl. Look at that, honey. You see how it's all coming together? You see, in the beginning, it's always gonna look crazy. You're always gonna look like, you know, all over the place. But like, when you put it together and you blend it, and you know, it all comes to life. Girl, look at that. Next, I'm gonna dip right into my Tarte Lights Camera. What an action, girl. Here I am. I love this so much because it's not only thick, the bristles, but the payoff, girl, she is everything, honey. See the difference of the lashes right there and there? Look. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and go off camera, and I'm gonna go ahead and put my lashes on, and I'll be right back. Okay, and we're back. So now that I have my lashes on, I'm gonna go ahead and use, well, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do the bottom part right here. And so what I'm gonna be using is this color right here. I'm just gonna outline her just to define the eyes, girl. Me, I like to do the bottom part, for me, thin. I don't like it when she's too thick. I just don't like that type of look for me. But me, I like this to be thin. Make this shadow pop even more. Okay, you see that? Of course, I'm gonna go back into my Tarte Lights and Camera Lashes. I get it. Lights, camera, lashes. That took me a while to process. What I'm also going to be dipping into is my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Gel Pencil Liner Crayon Gel. I like to always warm my products up before putting it onto my face. I'm going to use this for the waterline right here. This have to be real careful. Look at that, honey. Now that that's all laid out, I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side, and I'll be right back. All right, and we are back. So the next thing we're gonna be focusing on is the lips. And so what I'm gonna be using is Jeffree Star Cosmetics in Unicorn Blood. Tried and true. All right, let's just get into it. I'm trying not to like get it all over the place, because with these types of lipsticks, you have to be careful because they could get everywhere. They can create a whole mess, and you don't want that. Ooh, look at that. Yes. And now that we are laid and ready to slay, I'm gonna go back into my Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray, and I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole entire existence. Okay, so I needed a moment to process everything and to really look at this look, which I really love this look. But to really think about the palette and the highlighter. And so as far as the palette, I would say yes. Yes, go ahead and get you some of this, okay? Keep in mind though that there is a lot of fallout, but the payoff of it is really good. All right, now as for the highlighter, I really do like it. I mean, already, you know, I had to really process this highlighter and be like, you know what? I did a few more other swatches and, you know, just to really look at it. And I would say yes to the highlighter too, okay? But if you know, like a little simmer or like a little soft but still blind but soft, then, you know, this is definitely good for you. But if you're someone who really likes to just hit the sky with your highlight with the brush, girl, and you'll be set. But other than that, these products, shit. Other than that, these products are a yes. Yeah. So now that I have live for this. I'm definitely gonna go back into the store and get the rest of their products. Okay, and I think that's it for my review slash first impression. Thank you so much for watching this video and for riding with me. You know, if you haven't already, please go ahead, like, subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be able to see videos like this every week. And until next time, bye.